This morning I'm going to London. Good morning everyone. National Express. National Express. Going to London. Yes, welcome to aboard. Ay! Ay, reserve di ay.
Kanina lang.
Oh, kanina.
Ikaw, asa man ka?
Dire ko. Welcome to aboard.
Yes, sir.
Here. And the goods aboard. Wave good. We are leaving Bristol on the way to London to eat spaghetti. Charot. Welcome to London. We are just arrived in London. Hi, you've been framed. Look at in the camera. Yeah. Central London. Traffic today. This is Harold. Big Harold. Nice building here, isn't it?
It's beautiful. Give it a bite.
Really? Oh, that's so... We are in London. And this bus is London. Make it big in London. So... Whoa. Hi. Enjoy your day. Very nice. Oxford Street, Covent Garden, Piccadilly Circus. Oh dear, I'm lost. Hop on, hop off. Left and right. Wala dahil, pero magit dahil. Pikas po. Ang sa right eh. Transfer man mo na ang kamot. Ang left. Ana. Kaway, girl. Pahiram raman dahil na eh. Pahiram.
Taking your oath as Filipino citizens po. So, after you take your oath, you can already apply for your Philippine passports. So, na-explain naman po ng colleague ko kung ano yung requirements for your Philippine passports. Plus also po, we have our ongoing overseas voting registration. So, you can apply po. It's at Building 6, so just bring a copy of your dual papers if you'll apply for overseas voting. So, yun po. Sige po, roll call lang po muna. Loreto Tumampos, Juliet Longhay, Jermin Wilfred Bello, Charlene Egamino, Mary Grace ng Colobrat, Ruel Malihan, Caroline Bundalian, Jovel Bundalian, Joseph Hilo, Leopoldo Baguio Jr., Jojine Porte, Mary Jane Glow, Trisha May Macatol, Winnie Santiago, and Chantal Bundalian. Okay. Sige po, without further ado, please stand up po. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines and obey the laws and legal orders promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Philippines. And I hereby declare that I recognize and accept the supreme authority of the Philippines and will maintain true faith and allegiance thereto. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. Now let's face the Philippine flag po and sing our national anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pagkansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kasasilanganan, alak ng puso, sa dibig mo'y buhay, lupa nila, hanggang magtiti, sa manlulubi, di ka pasisili, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy, sa langit mong buhaw, may dalal at tulad, awit sa paglayang inamahal, kapag mga tawat ng Minatulaw ng pwede, pamay na dinig, buwan ng araw namin, ating pagsinta, buwan langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya na pagmamahal, ang mga tayo ng dahil sa'yo.
So, congratulations, my good afternoon.
Yay! Pak wey! Congrats yourself! Congratulations! Congratulations everyone! Every single. Now you are Filipino again. Oo, sige. Oh, dito, dali. Kitanduhan dito. Picture me. Flag.
Okay.
Ay, Congratulations. Ala, dili na mo British. Sige na, ano kayo, masirado yan, mag-ut-ut. Asa imong plug, bi? Ang mamatay ng Teka, nakalit. Congratulations. She became dual passport. She becomes British of Filipino. Dual citizenship. She's a Filipino. Yesterday was British. Congratulations, my friend.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Teka, nakalit. Congratulations. She became dual passport. She becomes British of Filipino. Dual citizenship. She's a Filipino. Yesterday was British. Congratulations, my friend.
Oh, thank you.
And welcome to Philippine Embassy, London. Yay! Kumandit. Sana po TikTok. I'm gonna catch this bus. Try this bus. Christmas. Traveling today by bus. Can enjoy riding in the bus. Good morning. Now I gotta catch the bus to get home. Bikes. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thanks.